Hello, everybody.
Now we are located in Hangzhou,
Wanling District. Streams. Let's take a look at the wild environment today. Come down and find the shore. Stranded a school of small groupers, fishing them in gently. Move your position. It's full, it's almost all coming in. In came a big family, very minute. A large group of creek hills was also found. Hide here under a rock, drive them all in. Haha, it's also all in whole family go. Came in. Drive the car to the shore. Fight him slowly. Very interesting. It was fished in with a click. The little friend is performing his fish lure method. Let's take a look under the camera. The underwater native world is very beautiful. There are many generations have lived here. Let's take a look at the fruits of today's labor in a while. And there are these lovely creek hills. And the silly little grouper. Play for a while and let them go back to nature. That's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.